Hello friends, welcome to my channel Prachi Style. Today I'll be reviewing two fragrances from a brand called as Miniso. So these two I've picked up from Miniso store a year back and I've used them since. I've used this one many times, almost half the bottle is over. So unfortunately I don't have the outer packaging for this one, and let's start with the Dazzle one first. So this is called as Dazzle Aurora. So they also have one more variant in this, which is a pink liquid and pink bottle. So that was a bit sweeter and rosy, and I had such fragrances already in my collection, so I'd give this one a try, I thought, and I bought it. So I could not find the notes for this one from Fragrantica, but I found the notes mentioned on Amazon for this. It's still available on Amazon for an affordable price, and it's good for daily wear. So I've bought it for 560 rupees from Miniso store. This is a 100 ml bottle in the EDP version, and it has a cute bow made which looks cute on the vanity, and also the other one has similar bow, and the bottle is similar, just liquid is of pink color. And this one has notes of bergamot, pink pepper and apple, top notes. Middle notes are of rose and patchouli. Base notes are of amber and musk, and is musky, feminine, sweet, fruity fragrance with hints of citruses, and it has a mild and calming effect on the dry down. I mean, after a few minutes of the application, and it's suitable for office wear, daily wear, and it's budget friendly also. And it is a beautiful fragrance to apply, for a moderate lasting. And when you just want to use something affordable, this is a good option. Also for gifting, also this is a good option if you want to gift it to somebody. They'll definitely love the packaging also and the fragrance also. And it's not your usual fruity fragrance, but it's a balance of all the notes like musky, a bit sweet, citrusy, fruity fragrance. So fruit I can smell, especially apple and bergamot. It's very prominent, but overall I love this fragrance and I use it whenever I want to apply something budget friendly. And the lasting is like moderate for around 3 to 4 hours on sunny days. Maybe in winter you can get a better longevity, and projection is like okay for 560 rupees. It's okay. I mean, can't expect much from it, but for 560 it has a better performance. As much as I had expected, it's much better than that. So yeah, overall I really recommend this one. And the second one is called as Serene Breeze, and this is from the Infinite collection, and this is a 75 ml bottle which I have bought for 590 rupees. This was available a few days back on Amazon, but unfortunately today I can't see it, but not sure if it is available in certain stores, Miniso stores, so you can just check that. And it's celebrated for its smooth green aquatic notes. So it has the floral aquatic kind of notes, and it's trying to imitate Diptyque's design. So it is said to be a dupe for Diptyque's famous Philosicos. So it's a high quality or affordable dupe for it. 590 for 590, it's a very good dupe. And it's a bit different than the other variants from the Infinite series. I had tried all of them, but I found this one to be a bit unique. I mean, I didn't have such fragrance in my collection, so I thought that I'll buy this one. So the fragrance is a balance of milky notes, something milky, rich, creamy. So it has those kind of notes. So I just tried to Google the notes, and I saw that it has the fig milk note to it, which is very prominent on the first spray. Definitely I can smell fig milk, and it gives it that creamy coconutty kind of a texture, or maybe the fragrance, smooth kind of a fragrance. And as the smell settles on your skin, the fragrance evolves into floral notes. So the notes which it evolves into, I think, are of gardenia or maybe tuberose and a little bit of jasmine. And also it has, aquatic uh, notes, some aquatic notes to it. Like it has that watery kind of aquatic feel. So on the packaging, like you can see, they are trying to show that this fragrance would remind you of being in nature, maybe overlooking a river or a lake, wherein swans are, just being there, and basically of you being in nature during evening. Maybe something like that they are trying to portray with the packaging, and it gives you that feel, because of the balance of all the notes. It also has a earthy note to it, earthy kind of a feel, but not very strong. So mostly it's aquatic, greeny kind of a fragrance, but green notes are also not very strong, like Eden from Cacharel. um, it's not that strong green note, but it's a mix and blend of um, all these notes: greeny, earthy, fig, milk, and florals. So it's not typical jasmine also, neither it's typical green, neither aquatic. It's blend of all this. And I really really love this fragrance, especially gardenia notes or tuberose, whatever they have mixed. Those notes linger for a long time. Performance wise, it is good. I mean, this is an EDP version of 75 ml, and for 75 ml it is a bit expensive as compared to the other one, but this does last a bit longer. So it lasted on my skin for 4 to 5 hours in winter. Not sure for sunny days, I'll have to try it. But overall I really like the fragrance. And from this packaging you can see the design is like diptychs bottles. So if you don't look at this, you can definitely not make out if it's diptych or it's mini. So definitely diptych's quality is a bit better, but yeah, just they have tried to imitate the design. See, overall I really love this fragrance. Also it has given me that aquatic feel, and it's ideal I think for evening wears, definitely, or parties. For parties, like get-togethers maybe, but not like strong fragrances. I mean, for parties where you'll need to apply stronger fragrances, so this is not ideal for that. It's a very mild fragrance, so it's not at all strong. It's good for all the people who have migraine, so they'll not have the trouble with stronger fragrances. So this is not that strong a fragrance, because it's quite mild, as in moderate, I'll say, not very mild, not very strong. So it's very good that way. And also the notes which I used, I really loved all of them, especially the fig touch to it, which makes it a bit unique, along with florals. So for me, I really love this. I'm going to definitely use this. And if you also like such fragrances for daily use, definitely give this one a try. Also let me know if you've already used any of these fragrances and how did you feel about it. Also do let me know if you liked my videos in the comments below. Also, if you like the videos that I create, please to consider to like, share and subscribe to the videos and my channel. Also, if you're watching this video from your YouTube mobile app, please hype this video so it reaches more and more people and helps my channel to grow. Thank you for watching my videos, and until the next video, goodbye, take care, keep smelling nice everyone.